Welcome back to another episode of Hunting Sodak. It's actually like 6:30 in the PM right now. We just got done hunting. We got like 10 mallards. Maybe I'll show you some clips of that right here. I don't know. We'll see. We got like probably 30 goose decoys set up right now, but we're on running water. Everything else is frozen around here. We're on running water. There's goose footprints everywhere out here. We got the A-frame. We're gonna get that toughed in really good. A ways back off this here, we got, I don't know, we're running 12 mallard decoys, a lucky duck flapper in the morning. It's supposed to be cloudy, 13-mile-an-hour wind on running water when everything else is frozen. I mean, that's just a recipe for a good time. We got, I don't know, it's just gonna be great. I can't even imagine how good it's gonna be. If we don't shoot a limit of birds tomorrow, I'd be surprised. I mean, today we drove by this spot and we saw 300 geese sitting out here and mallards just dumping in here. So yeah, if it doesn't get good, I don't know what else. It should get good. I don't know what to tell you guys. It's gonna be crazy.
We need more ducky.
Stay tuned. See you in the morning. Oh yeah!
Is that Susie?
Yeah, nice. And
Yeah, let's go.
Woo! Shoot that one. Woo! Nice shot, Cole.
Oh, here comes these now.
Hey, Cole.
I'm gonna go grab that one.
Good shooting, buddy.
Thanks, bud.
That was mean.
All right, boys. Here you have it. Got the A-frame looking like an absolute brush pile out here. Like, holy smacks, but she's looking saucy. Got a little spread going. We gotta bring more decoys for the morning. Fill them in over here like this. Nice U. The wind should be coming from this way, out of the back. We got this at a 45-degree angle from where the kill hole is, which is right there. Got the blind right here, so they should come in right on, like, kind of diagonal of us, so they don't see down the line, and they also don't see the corners of the blind very well. It could get good. Stay tuned till the morning. See you then. Get your head down. He's committed. Kill that. Nice! Way to go, Cole! Good job, buddy. Woo!
That big group wasn't gonna do it.
No, they didn't hear you shoot though. They didn't hear you shoot.
Not yet.
No, don't get it. Don't get it.
Loner.
That was not all them geese though. There's more around. Hey, nice shot, dude. That was a good shot. That was a long bird.
Right after we just dropped it. That wasn't a very big bird.
That's all right. Good shooting. Hey, that was a poke, bud.
No, that wasn't bad.
What? Hey, way to go, Cole. Good job, buddy. Well, Coleo just poked the first one of the day. We had a few groups almost drop on us. They really want in here pretty bad. Oh yeah, good morning, by the way. I forgot to film when we came out here. It's really cold. It's like 15 degrees right now with 15-mile-an-hour wind right on our backs. These geese, there's snow in their face. They want to get down, so hopefully we get some more flocks to come in here because they're doing it dirty. I hear some right now. Stay tuned. Heads down like this. Heads down like this. We're so committed. Yeah, dude, look back there. Heads down, under here. They're coming from our left. coming from our left still. Get ready. Get your face down there, right out front. They're committed. Get ready. Get ready. Send them to church. We got 3, 4. Hey, finish that one out there. Finish that one. Finish them. Lead it. Cold weather honkers late season. Let's get it. Stack those up.
It might actually.
Oh yeah. Sit down. Sit down.
Right now.
Turn. Kill him. Yep.
Nice.
We got one.
Well, that was the one we
I should have shot him again. Boys! This flock keeps. Let's go!
Oh, he's going down too.
In that drainage ditch. That flock wants in Mackett. We'll send it to Gregory.
Alright, find it.
I got it on my camera. Woo! Good stuff, buddy. Alright, guys. We just had a really dumb flock come in. You'll see it on the video. We just pepper every time. They circle us like 9 times. We got 6 geese on the ground right now. 2 of them are just sitting across this little creek, chilling.
Hey, flag these.
Turn the old flag on. Stay tuned, boys. That was crazy. We're gonna have to shoot again at these things. Shoot them.
Cars!
Oh God! Now they're landing.
Good shot.
Oh, they're coming back.
Kill them.
He's going down. This one's gonna come back.
Get out.
Oh, he's going down.
Oh! Oh! Oh no way! One BB to the head. Pack it up. We're done here, boys. Don't mind if I shoot a goose at 150 yards with the 10 gauge. Holy balls, he tucked in there. Woo! Yeah.
He's gonna float this way.
Pack it up, boys. We're done here. Alright, guys. Today we had a lot of fun hunting. It was cold out, but I think we ended up with 8 geese and we shot 1 duck. And yesterday we had like 11. I think, yeah, we had 11 ducks yesterday. Those were in the picture too. So we had 12 ducks and 8 geese in the picture. But I think that's probably going to be it for goose hunting this year. at least up here, because the geese are getting pushed down now with this cold weather. All the lakes are freezing over, so they have nowhere to roost, but maybe there's a slim chance that next weekend we get on geese, unless we go down to like Watertown or Sioux Falls, somewhere down south a little bit farther where there's bigger lakes for birds to roost on and some bigger feeds down there. They're grouping up a lot more, but other than that, this could be the end. There's a slim chance that there's still going to be some up here next weekend. We scouted a little bit after we hunted today, and we found a few lakes and a few feeds that looked good, but who knows what this week's gonna bring, and for weather and how cold it's gonna get these next couple of days, what the birds are gonna react. If there's enough birds on a roost, they can keep it open, but if they don't have any reason to stay here, they're just gonna go south. But we're gonna see. If not, we're probably gonna be bow hunting next weekend and then rifle hunting after that. And then hopefully this winter I want to go out to Pier and try to hunt geese out there off the river. But just stay tuned for some more videos in the future, because I guarantee we're gonna be killing something on this channel for sure. But that's probably it for waterfowling up here. Just hope that it works out. But thanks for tuning in to another episode. Stay tuned. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. Leave a comment on what I should do for hunting challenges, or what I should hunt, or what you guys want to see on here. We're gonna be doing some ice fishing. The ice is on now, but thanks for checking this one out, and stay tuned for some more videos in the future. Peace.